Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In Part 1, we covered the basics of bundled planning in the Japanese auto industry. In this video, we will walk through practical steps, tools, and examples you can use to improve speed, quality, and teamwork in your next vehicle program. A simple bundled planning playbook to cut cycle time and rework. To make this work, your program team needs a clear set of steps. It is not just about more meetings. It is about making better decisions at the right time. Ownership is the main ingredient here. Every bundle needs a leader who can make a final call when teams disagree. By following a structured playbook, you can cut months off your development calendar and avoid the firefighting mode that happens late in a project. Start with a shared target sheet: cost, weight, range, quality, and launch date. The first step is creating a one-page target sheet. This is not a long technical manual. It is a clear list of the must-hit metrics for the entire vehicle. Leaders from engineering, purchasing, manufacturing, and quality must all sign it. This sheet sets the guardrails. For instance, if the team has to choose between a longer driving range or a lower sticker price, the target sheet tells them which one wins. Having these rules in writing prevents endless debates later in the program. Build one integrated roadmap with decision points that cannot slip. Next, create a single visual roadmap that tracks every major move. This map must include design freezes, tooling orders, software release dates, and supplier lead times. The most important parts of this roadmap are the hard decision points. These are dates where the team must say yes or no to a design. To keep this roadmap alive, run fast weekly reviews. These meetings should focus on whether the team is on track for the next big milestone. If a task is dragging, you address it immediately rather than letting it slide. Use modular design and reuse on purpose: platforms, EQs, and test plans. Efficiency comes from not reinventing the wheel every time. Smart bundled planning uses modular design. This means using the same electronic control units, wiring layouts, or thermal modules across several different car models. When you plan to reuse these parts on purpose, you save time on testing and validation. You can use the same test cases from a previous project because the base parts have not changed. This is different from accidental reuse, where teams scramble to use an old part because they ran out of time to design a new one. Make suppliers part of the bundle early, with capacity and risk checks. In the current market, your suppliers are just as important as your internal teams. Bring them into the bundle during the initial quoting phase. Do not just ask for a price. Ask for a capacity lock. This ensures they have the machines and people ready when you need to scale up. Create a risk checklist for every major supplier that covers battery cell availability, semiconductor lead times, sensor calibration requirements, logistics and shipping routes. If a supplier for high-tech casting looks risky, set up a backup plan immediately. Doing this early is much cheaper than trying to find a new source close to launch. Bundled planning works best when teams, suppliers, and decisions are aligned early. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on automotive development and innovation. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.